guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making extra crispy chicken drumstick, guys. And this is 12 pieces chicken drumstick. I wash it already, guys. And for the spices, I'm going to use 2 pieces of kaffir leaves and some of ginger. The ginger just a little bit like that, guys. And I'm going to grind the spices first. Okay, it's good enough now. I'm going to put it on the chicken. And for the spices, I'm going to use half teaspoon turmeric, teaspoon coriander, teaspoon beef flavor, teaspoon salt, tablespoon sesame oil, and I'm going to add 1 egg. I'm going to mix it well first, guys. And I forget to add garlic, guys. So right now I'm going to add a tablespoon of garlic. I'm going to mix it again. And now I'm going to use 17 ounces butter mix flour. I'm going to mix the chicken with the flour. Mix it all over first, guys. I'm going to mix the chicken with the flour, all of them. And when the oil already getting hot, fry the chicken. Put the chicken one by one. I'm going to flip it the chicken. I'm going to flip it all of them. And fry the chicken for 15 or 20 minutes on low heat, guys. Okay. I'm going to flip it one more time. I'm going to flip it all of them. And when the chicken already turn brown like this, means it's already cooked, guys. I'm going to take out all of them. This is how it look like from outside, guys. This is from inside. It's cooked perfectly. Inside is very juicy and very crispy. Tastes really good. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And please don't forget to support my channel, okay? I'm going to post a new recipe every Friday. Thank you, guys, and have a great weekend. Bye, guys.